Hello guys, today I've got the touch LCD screen control in my Panasonic HC-VX3E-K, and I'm going to go through the navigation and settings on this 3-inch display. So here, using the display, we can do almost everything. Let me at first show you the menu. If you tap this button over here, you can be navigated the menu automatically, or if you here tap this arrow, go right with this arrow, you can see menu over here, and we are here. So if the buttons don't work or have some fail, we are here using the touchscreen only. So let me show you all the settings that are here. Let's start with the record setup. Zoom mode. If we tap here, you can see optical zoom 24x, iZoom 32x, digital zoom 70x, or digital zoom 1500x. Here, let me tell you to go back here. We have here active contrast. We can disable or enable this option. Recording format, which can be the AVCHD 24p or MP4 or 4K MP4. Here we have even got the recording mode, which is only available in other video formats. Slow motion setup, pre-recording options, face framing, hybrid OIS, which I explained in another video, fade color, guidelines, level GOG, HGS, backlight compensation, shooting guide, audio input select, sound scene select. Here we can check if check set if we want to record our videos using the stereo microphones, and 2 channels or 5.1 channels, you can see. Here you have timestamp recording. Now I can tap exit and let me go to the menu using my touch screen only, so that you will see that it's useful. Here we have picture. If I tap picture, we can see actually picture size. The picture size is just megapixels amount for our picture, and if we tap it, we can change it from the default value 20.4 to the 9.3. I think that my display is kind of broken because it's just not responsive at all most of the time. So yeah, here as you can see we have got the setup. Here we have display 5 seconds or just on. Go back. Here they have clock set. We can set the clock, set word time, link clock to summertime, date and time, date format, zoom or the recording display, OIS log display, external display, simple detail or off, economy battery, which is the power saving mode during our camera while it's while it's working on the battery only, or here economy AC, so the power saving while it's plugged into our power adapter. I don't recommend, actually, that's a digression, I don't recommend to have the economy AC enabled, but the default value which is the preset, it's turned on. Here we have got quick power on, which is when you open your camera you can see the screen turned on. Here we have the alert sound, which is the ones you hear from time to time. Record or pause alert, select operation icons, power LCD setup, HDMI resolution, which is the external display resolution, Vira link, which when you tap it you can see that we can just easily enable it. Here, let me go back to this quickly. Here they have the initial setup yet. Here, if we tap this initial setup, we can bring back all the menu settings to their initial settings that were preset in the factory. Here, auto cursor position, number reset, format media, where we can format our SD card, check the media status, as you can see, which is the used space, remaining time, etc. And version display, version up, which is the software update, software info, online manual, and of course the language. And that is all about here, the settings menu. And yet another options we have here. If we tap here, we can see most of our video recording. If you want to take photos, you can either click this button over here or go to the photo and take photos here. Here they have the Intelligent Auto Plus with some additional options, like for example exposure. Here they have this artistic mode, which is not available on the 4K, HDR, scenes mode, which as you can see are these sports or something else. Here they have manual mode, where we can set every single value in our camera just to our own preferences. Here, as you can see, we do have the slow and quick video and this photo that I've mentioned earlier. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.